Okay, today we're reviewing the TC20, manufactured by SetPower. This unit was sent to us to do a review. I did review it, and I'm actually quite happy with it. One cool thing, let's go over to the power supply. We have other items in here. They give you an AC adapter for your choice of power, which gets stepped down to 12 volts, which plugs in like that, and then you plug this in and you have power. Now, the nice thing is, if you don't have an AC adapter, an AC receptacle in your car, you can plug it right into the cigarette lighter. Like in the back of my Highlander, can I say that?
Yeah, you're good.
A lot of times, the older SUVs would have a 12 volt plug in the back. My Highlander doesn't have it. It has a 120 volt plug. So at that point, you can just simply use this. So anyway, I'm plugging it in the right way.
That usually helps, yeah.
It is, hold on. Oh no, it is the right way. It is polarized. It's got to go that way. Well, one nice thing before we begin, I just put these wheels on. I didn't do that before. I actually could have used it. It has these two friction kind of handles. You have to push your hands in and lift up, and this thing can get quite heavy. I wish it had the flip handles. There are other models that they manufacture do have those, but one nice thing about this, it has a strap.
Very nice.
So all that weight is taken off again. It's actually
makes it easy.
Oh, edit that out.
That's okay. No, I'm gonna leave it in there. I get so embarrassed. It's funny.
I can do this all day. It does quite
It's smooth
nice.
too.
And actually, I can use the strap on one side and this to lift it up, which is nice.
And on top here, we have some cup holders, right? 4 of them.
4 cup holders. Aside from using it in the car, but this is really great for camping because, like I said, you can leave this pretty much plugged in. It's not waterproof. At least I don't believe it is. You'll see some from some pictures that when I emptied out my shore house, I literally filled this up with refrigerator items. It just came on.
You can hear it.
It's actually pretty quiet. But this will go down. Let's see how low it'll go. I think I had to go below 0.
Jeez. Why would you need it that cold? Oh my god.
It'll go to -4.
That's
and
impressive.
it will go to -4. If I used it as a freezer, I would probably keep it at about 5 degrees. That's a good freezing point.
Very nice.
But coming home from the shore, I had refrigerator items in there, so I had it at
30?
You can keep it. I had it at 36.
Okay.
And it's a good capacity. I forget how many cubic feet. Maybe you can look that up. It's a pretty good size. I have another one like this from a different manufacturer, and it's not nearly, the controls aren't nearly as good as this one. The other one's touchscreen. This touchpad. This is actually, you can hear it clicking.
Actual buttons,
Actual buttons.
Which you prefer?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So I like the color. It did what it's supposed to do, and even when you unplug it, it kept it cold for quite a while. So I'm actually really impressed with this. It's a nice size unit. You can keep it outside the car. Like I said, if you're camping or whatever, as long as you have a power source, it's a nice additional refrigerator to put your Heinekens in. Can I say that?
Or twisted tea.
Or just plain old salt.
Or just
drinks.
water.
Or water. Because it is a pretty good capacity.
Yeah, it's not bad. Actually, what's cool is you even have this little shelf up here.
Yeah.
To put like food.
Well, you'll see from the picture what I put up there. But
okay.
And actually, you can see it's getting cold. It's getting pretty chilly already.
Yeah, you can feel it. Very nice.
And it is quiet. It's very quiet. Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was a good unit. I mean, it's a cooler. There's nothing special about it, other than it did work the first time, and that's a good thing. I have one thing I forgot to do. I'm really big on this. It's a nice decal they give you. I forgot to take the plastic off.
Oh yeah, it's always satisfying. Very nice.
It looks nicer. So, yeah, I like it a lot. The only suggestion I have is all their models, not just the lower model. It should have handles that kind of flip up that you can grab. Mm-hmm. This you really got to push just to hold it.
And there's no grip, right?
And it's heavy. it's moderately heavy without it being packed because you have a compressor in here. That's not a toy. That's a good.
Yeah, I've noticed it's left side heavy because that's where everything's taking place.
But yeah, everything's back here. But it's quiet.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Very quiet. It didn't come like this. I accidentally dropped something on it and kind of scratched the plastic.
It's okay. It's gonna happen.
Sorry.
I mean, especially being outside.
Yeah, I kind of abused it a little bit.
It's okay.
But it's tough.
It's good. Yeah.
You can definitely abuse it.
Abuse
The handle's a nice addition. I don't. Oh my God. Hello, people.
This is included, right?
Is that a friggin' bottle opener?
Oh wow!
All right.
Didn't even notice
you
that.
had me at the bottle opener.
You can test it if you want.
That's really cool. The opening, you got to drink it though. That's really neat.
Very nice.
It's just little things in life that amuse me.
Yeah,
That is cool. That's good thinking. That's really good thinking. So, thank you for sending this out to me to review. And I had it operational actually for a couple of days. Even when I got to my shore house, I left it on just to see if it would maintain the temperature. That's a little close.
I'm not that close, trust me.
And it did. No issues. And a very, very minor noise. I wouldn't even call it noise. It's
just what it does.
Yeah, I don't know. What's noisier?
Yeah, my fridge is currently doing its thing.
Yeah,
full size fridge.
I got 2 compressors going. But it's a good noise. It's not a troublesome noise.
Yeah, it's not bad at parties or barbecues.
No. And
whatever.
the nice thing too is it latches shut. Like right now, it's just not like friction. It actually latches, which is good.
Got 2 latches right here.
Yep.
Nice.
So I would definitely recommend it. Oh my God, is there a code?
And we do have a discount code right below, guys, in the video description. Use that code and you can save some money. Why not?
Yeah, it's already down to 57 degrees. It's only been on a few minutes. So it gets cold pretty fast. And it comes with a cat. You can.
It does not come with a cat. You do not want that cat.
No. So, but like I said, I like the one thing is the other one I have. It's
a long
strictly,
cable.
The other unit I have, it's strictly 120 volts. This gives you the option to unplug it from 120 and plug it right into your cigarette lighter.
So was all this included?
Yes. Yes.
That's impressive because this alone is a long cable.
This is very long cable, which is nice.
The longer the better.
The nice thing is if your cigarette adapter is in the back of your SUV, which a lot are because nowadays you don't have cigarette adapters in cars, you can plug this all the way back in, back.
And then run it through your car.
Right.
Like the seats, yeah.
Have this on the front seat. I think it actually makes a noise too. Like with my car, when I shut it off, the 120 goes off. You always wonder if it's going to go back on. So you have to hit a switch. So you power it up. I do believe. Hold on now. Okay. I do believe it makes a noise. I'm going to unplug it. And I'm going to plug it in. My other one does that. It makes a little noise. It goes doo-doo-doo-doo. So it tells me that's power. And it came on.
Wow, the table shook. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, I like it. I like the color. I don't know, can you get it in different colors?
I'm not sure actually, but it is linked right below.
Yeah, it is durable. It's definitely meant for the outdoor use. But you can use it, you know, you got a party going on, you need some extra cooling capacity. There you go. Set it up, plug it in, and your guests can just reach in and grab what they want. You don't need ice.
Very nice.
But you can put ice in there, and you can turn it into like a freezer. To me, the colder the beer, the better. I'm gonna unplug this. So again, thank you very much. Dave's Reviews coming at you. Don't do that.
No, I'm keeping it in.
No.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
And of course, SetPower, thank you for sending us out. There you go, guys. This was Dad's review. He's by no means a professional tech reviewer. Neither am I. But I enjoy putting him on camera. It's always fun to watch.
And it's cold in here.
And that's gonna be an interesting edit. Yeah, it's getting very cold.
It's getting very cold.
Anyway, guys, again, if you want to save some money, check out that code and link right below.
Well, yeah,
SetPower,
again,
thank you.
It's not a toy. It's a serious compressor.
Yeah, it is.
I have another one that takes a lot longer to get cool, and I'm not sure what the price point is, but I'll have that.
Everything's linked right below.
And
treat yourself.
It wasn't a lot of money. You can't beat our price.
Yeah, it wasn't crazy. It wasn't crazy.
No.
All right, thank you guys so much. We'll see you soon.
Peace out.